This is a brief description of the B&K Precision Model 325. The product came packaged from Amazon. And this is the box that it comes in. We have a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper here, just to give you an idea of the size of the packaging out there. So approximately 11 inches long, and like that. And let's see if we can open the box. Instructions. Seems to be a vinyl bag for a carrying case with a belt loop on the back. Leads and the 325 instrument. Okay, you can see that you need to put the battery in the back here, so I'll do that in a sec, but first I just wanted to compare the size of it with a US dollar bill. So I place the dollar bill on top of the instrument to give you an idea of the size. Has a nice strong spring to it. I mean, it's going to hold itself up. That's good. Has a nice crisp feel to the selector knob. Okay. So let me take a break for a second and put the battery in. We want to look at the leads a bit. Notice the package says TL37. So we'll just unwrap these. They feel pretty good. Pretty good quality leads. Let's take a look here. It says 10 amps on it, and on this side TL37, and they have these plastic guards on here that go on and come off like that. So TL37s are the leads. Okay, I'm going to put the leads in. Black to common. Okay, black to common and red. There's only two on this particular meter. And now I'm going to turn it on for DC volts. And as we can see, DC volts is very easy to select. Click right there. We heard a little beep. So I'm going to test a battery. And we'll simply test the DC voltage. Red and black. About 12.7. Okay. And for comparison, I'm going to bring in another meter. This is a Klein Tools MM600. Now the other one said 12.7, and this meter says 12.62. Okay. I'm just comparing these meters against each other. I have no way of testing them with any more sophisticated equipment. We're now going to measure resistance. Again, we're comparing the Klein's tool MM600 with the 325. And so first we'll do Klein's tools. Get these probes. So we can hear that nice clear beep. It's showing 0.1. And now we will try the model 325 from B&K Precision. It's showing 1 or 0, basically no resistance, and you can hear the beep. It's a bit quieter than the Klein's tool item. I don't have perfect hearing, and they're both fine for me. Now, what I have here is some leads that are pasted together with some alligator clips and various terminals for testing a variety of motorcycle related items. I'm going to connect this crazy lead mess with the 325 for a second. So I've connected my accessory crazy leads here, and alligator clips do not come with the B&K Precision's Model 325, not in the packaging that I purchased anyway. So I'm just going to quickly connect these leads up to the battery. And I'm going to check for DC volts. And 13, 12.7. While it's bouncing around, I'm going to press the hold button. The hold button will hold the display at the measurement it was taking at the instant I held it. Now I can release that hold, and we can let it continue to hunt for a specific value. I'm going to turn the item off and discontinue that test, and I'm going to put the original leads back in the 325. More about the zeroing. So to enable the function, we press 0 key for less than 1 second, and we saw on the display the word 0. This meter also has a min-max button and a peak button. I'm not going to go into those now. Those are described well in the instruction booklet. The instruction booklet is written well. It's easy to understand. It described the low battery indicator, for example. If your 9-volt battery inside the unit is running low, it'll tell you about that. Where to put a conductor. You might be hard to see, but there's little marks here, here, and up here. And what they want you to do is aim for putting the conductor that you're testing centered between those marks if possible. Okay, I think I'm going to try to test DC amperage use, or DC amps, next. Okay, we want to test amps. We have the battery connected to a 12-volt LED light that's designed for RV use. I'm going to turn on the light, pointing away from the camera to avoid excess glare. And now I'm going to take the meter and flip it over to amps DC right there, and we'll put the jaws over one conductor, and it looks like this LED light is consuming about half of an amp, 0.4 amps, 0.5 amps, in that range. So in conclusion, the B&K Precision Model 325 looks like a very nice meter. Feels very good in your hand. I really like the selector. Feels very positive, not cheap at all. I really like the fact that I can go to either alternating current or DC and hit a specific button there. It's just one click, as opposed to going to volts and then hitting another switch to go to AC or DC. And this one I can just go right to what I want to do. On the back of the device it mentions that it was manufactured in Taiwan, and on the front it mentions that it is a True RMS meter. It has the TRMS acronym down there, and I think I'm going to get many years of good use out of this B&K Precision Model 325.